Hello everyone, welcome back to Dudes Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best compact air fryer on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Ninja AF101 compact air fryer and what makes it a must-have for healthier cooking. Let's get started. Product features: up to 75% less fat. Cooks your favorite foods using up to 75% less fat, giving you crispy results without the guilt. Tested especially with hand-cut French fries. Wide temperature range. Offers a flexible 105 to 400 degree Fahrenheit range, allowing you to gently dehydrate foods or quickly crisp meals using fast, even convection heat. 4-quart capacity. Features a spacious 4-quart ceramic-coated basket that holds up to 2 pounds of fries, ideal for everyday meals in small to medium homes. 4 cooking functions. Includes air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate modes, giving you multiple cooking options in one compact appliance. Dehydrate mode uses low fan speed and low heat to turn foods into healthy, chip-like snacks without losing natural flavor or texture. Ceramic non-stick basket. The ceramic-coated basket prevents sticking and ensures even cooking while being both durable and easy to clean. Easy cleanup. Basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, while the exterior wipes clean effortlessly, keeping maintenance stress-free. Pros: healthier frying with significantly reduced fat. Versatile temperature range suitable for many recipes. Spacious basket perfect for family meals. Multiple cooking modes in one device. Reliable, durable ceramic coating. Easy to clean and maintain. Cons: preheating is recommended, adding a little extra time. 4-quart capacity may be small for larger families. Outer body can get warm during extended use. Final thought: the Ninja AF101 compact air fryer is a powerful blend of convenience, versatility, and healthier cooking performance. From crispy fries to dehydrated snacks, it delivers consistent results while saving time and reducing cleanup. Whether you're new to air frying or upgrading your kitchen setup, this model brings excellent value and reliability to everyday cooking. Ready to upgrade your kitchen with smarter, healthier cooking? Check the price link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more honest product guides and reviews.